Hey guys. Whoa. Everyone's here. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play box for September 2019. This box is $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care samples, and then you also get 50 Beauty Insider points to add to your Sephora account. Sorry about that. Josie's down there and she just wiggled the tripod. Do you need to say anything? No? Okay. As always, if I don't know something... Oh, well, God bless you. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the values of everything in here to find out if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, all my disclaimers are said. Let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so once you have it opened, it looks like this. It has this little pamphlet right here that tells us everything we're getting in here, as well as a couple little blurbs about them. I'm not going to look too much at that, but I will refer to that if I need to. Oh, this is a new color. So it always comes in this little bag here. We've gotten a lot of different colors, but I don't think we've gotten blue before. All right, let's just go ahead and see what we have in here. The first thing I'm pulling out right on top is something I think I've gotten in this box alone at least 4 times. This is the Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So there is right there. This is not cruelty-free, so I've never used it, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. I can just tell you that I've received it about 1 billion times. Okay, so it looks like the next thing I'm pulling out is the perfume sample. This is always the beauty bonus that they throw in here. This is from Yves Saint Laurent. This is Libre. There it is right there. I don't know if this brand's cruelty-free. My gut tells me that they aren't, but I can actually smell it through the packaging, and it smells really nice. So it's a floral lavender, which is weird because I don't like floral perfumes and I don't like lavender, but something about this just smells light and airy and a little bit girly, like a feminine sort of scent. So it says it has orange blossom flower, lavender, and white musks. Smells pretty good. So there's that. I hope it is cruelty-free. I feel like it's not going to be, but it smells really, really nice. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Amika, which I'm pretty certain is cruelty-free. This is a Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Everything smells like that perfume in here. So that smells nice too. I don't know why I just sprayed that on my face. But it smells good. I don't typically use too many sprays like this, especially going into like fall and winter. But I might give this a try. Maybe the packaging. The packaging is really cute. So there is that. Alright, the next thing I have is from Hourglass, which is cruelty-free. This is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I don't even know if you can see that with all the reflection from my window there. I'm pretty sure I've tried this before. I can't remember if I liked it or not. So it's got, I would say, a pretty basic wand. It's narrower at the top and a little more full at the bottom, which I think is good for getting in these smaller, tight areas. I just can't remember if I really, really like this. It looks a little wet, like a wet formula, which doesn't seem to be a problem for me, but I know some people don't enjoy that. So yeah, I got a mascara, so I definitely will give this a try. Oh my god, how many times am I going to get this? I think this is the 3rd time I've gotten this month. Anyways, this is the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Mine is in the shade Neutral Light Brown, which seems, it's better. What was it? Which box was it? Was it Birchbox that I got like a blonde color? Which I get, my hair is blonde, but it seems like they played it more. I don't even know if I put my hair color on this profile. Maybe they just picked a color that they thought was more likely to be added among all people. I'm not sure. But Benefit is not cruelty-free, so I will not be using this. Again, this will go into a giveaway or to a friend. But it's weird. Is this like a new product? I've gotten 3 of them now. I have one last item in here. This is from Fresh, which I don't think is cruelty-free. I can't remember. This is a Rose Floral Toner, which I'm pretty sure I've gotten this before too. The packaging is like pretty simple. It kind of reminds me of like Old English sort of vibes. So yeah, it's a Rose Floral Toner infused with soothing rose water, hydrates and refreshes. I feel like they're not cruelty free. I could be wrong. Like I said, I'll always research and put that down below if you care about that. I hate the scent of rose, which I don't know. Like I like real roses. I've said this a million times. I don't like fake rose. Like I don't like rose scented things other than actual roses. So this is something I would not use regardless. Just not my jam. I do love toners. I've said it before. It's like my favorite part of my skincare routine is toner. I don't know why. Does anybody else feel that way too? Am I the only one who just loves putting toner on my face? It's like you feel refreshed. I don't know. I love toner. Oh, do you love toner? Anyways, that's everything I got in this month's Sephora play. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. To me, this was not a good box, mostly because I don't know, like the benefit thing, which is not their fault that I've gotten in other boxes, but I've gotten so many of them now, so that's sort of a bummer. The Hourglass mascara is probably what I'm most excited for. Rose toner, I don't like rose, not their fault. The Belif Aqua Bomb is a little bit their fault because I know I've gotten it in this box at least 3 times. So not excited about that. The Amika Wave Spray, I'll definitely give it a try. And I do like the way the perfume smells. I just don't know if it's cruelty free. So overall, not my favorite box. It wasn't a bad box. It just wasn't a real good box. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. That's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more obnoxious or sleeping dogs in the background, please hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.